Hello everybody, this is Patsy with Porn with Patsy. I have a 7-inch round piece of wood on my turntable. I'm going to show you, this is what you do to make your cells when you do your bloom. This works for me, okay? So here we go. Make sure you level everything. Tape the back of your canvas. I'm putting on some satin white I mixed up with some glossy paint, and I got some colors. I got ultramarine blue, piggy pinky, golly orange, ultramarine blue, and blossom yellow. Okay, I'm going to start with my dark color right in the middle. Okay, looks pretty leveled. Good. Then I'm going to start with this aquamarine blue in the middle. Then I need this orange. This orange is pretty amazing. Okay. And this one. Then my yellow. I put my yellow everywhere because I'm a fan of it. So I'll put everything over to my left of my counter out of the way because I'm going to use my blow dryer. My Daisy blow dryer. Drew Barrymore's Daisy blow dryer I use. I got my white cell activator. 10 grams to 30 grams, 1 to 3. And I use my acrylic pouring oil. You get all that from Amazon. So, I'm going to quickly show you the little trick that helps me when I blow it out, okay? Alright, I'm going to get this back to the middle. I'll be quick with this one. Yeah, it's not quite level for me. My table's off, so what we're going to do is take our cell activator, put it dead in the middle, okay? Alright, on top, whatever I can. Those are coming out. There's bubbles. Alright. Let's see what we got, okay? And it'll be on low heat. Okay? See, I'm not dragging my blow dryer in, I'm just laying it on there, let it go on its own. And this is what works for me. You see the cells coming in? There. There we go. See? You just lay it there, your cells are ready to go. You don't have to push nothing in. Okay, see? See that? See? I just laid it there and just... That's what I'm trying to get at in this video. And show you, you don't have to push your blow dryer in, just lay it there because you're getting the side of your white sock red or the black one, how you say. And there you have it. I'll spin it out and we'll see what we got. Okay, I'll bring it in. I double back taped back so it wouldn't fall off the turntable. So this is what we got. See how those cells have come up? Yeah. Look at how beautiful that can be. See? Alrighty. Thank you very much. And I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, inbox me. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.